Now that you had a chance to play with Tinkercad Codeblocks, let's take a look at it in detail. Go back to Codeblocks. Create a new code block. This box that opens is what we're looking for. Here are the code blocks that you've created. Down here are activities to help you learn. And then here are designs that have already been created to help you understand more. And then there's this quick start guide. If you like to read instructions instead of watching videos, this is a great way to learn. You just click the next button and it will walk you through the process in even more detail. Another way to learn is to just Google it. Maybe go to YouTube, type in Tinkercad Codeblocks, and see what other people are doing. Okay, let's get started. Here's what we're going to do. We're going to go through these 3 activities, starting with Intro to Shapes. Once you click on it, it opens Tinkercad Codeblocks, but it also has this section down here that's a tutorial. Watch the image, read the instructions, and do what it says. So it says here, drag a block into the workspace and press the play to view the results. So from the code blocks area, let's drag out and then press play. Now that was easy. Then it says continue. Then it says view it in 3D. So let's move it around, looks good, and continue. Then you go on to the next exercise. Watch what they're doing. Follow the directions, open the color menu, change the color block. So we'll have to first drag this out, click on the color menu here, change the color, and hit play. So go ahead and work through these. Once you get to step 4, come back here and we'll talk about that step.